Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome everyone. This is another video demonstration for our database project. This time we will be talking about human resource management database system. So without further delay, let's begin. First of all, this database focuses only on employee records. So we will be discussing transactions related to our human resource, like employees record keeping, monitoring of residence permits validity, organizing the vacation leaves request, and many more. So let us jump to our database. Firstly, we will be discussing about the user interface. This is very similar to our purchasing and inventory database, wherein we have main buttons here at the left, then sub buttons at the top, and we will also see the active control or the menu at the top right of the interface. Then at the right side of our interface, we have the generate report section, and here at the center, we have the list box wherein we can search the record. Our first menu here is manage account. So this will be a multi-users database. We will be assigning security level to our users. Basically, the top security is level 5. These are the main users. These users are allowed to add record of our subjects, which is our employee. So they have like admin level security. Next is level 4. These users are secondary users. They can't add record of subjects, but they can update the record and also create transactions for the employees, like request a leave form or update the residence permits validity and so on. Lastly, we have level 3 security. This type of user is mainly for viewing. Now let's add another user. As you can see here, we are using a level 4 account. So let's see what will happen when we click this user account menu. As you can see, we are restricted to access this feature. Now let's switch to a level 5 account. I forgot to mention that we have a special account, which is the developer account. The level 5 account has restriction, and that restriction can only be performed by the developer, like accessing the control option. Since this is a multi-user system, we will be locking the forms for addition in terms of design and functionality. So essentially, only developer account can perform changes on the design and functionality of this database. So let's log into this account, then let's go to the manage account. Since we are now using a level 5 account, we are able to access this feature. Then let's click the user account, and here you will see a create account button. So let's click it. Then we will have a confirmation message asking us if you want to create a new account. Then we will click yes. Then an entry form will appear. So all we need to do is select the employee from this combo box. The record source of this employee combo box is taken from our employee list. So we can just search the employee number from this, and note that we can only create one account for each employee. So if we select an employee with existing account, the system will notify us that it has already an existing account. So let's select an employee. We have here a dummy employee named guest. Let's select this one. Then select a user type. Like what I've said, we have 3 user types: the admin level, the user, and the guest. So this is one way also of assigning the security level. So if we click this one, the security level will also be assigned. We can also go directly into this security level options and select the appropriate security level. Note that we are only allowed to select 3, 4, and 5. In this case, let's select 3 for guest account, meaning this account is only for viewing. This security level is also required in our form. We cannot keep this empty or null. If we do, we will not be able to save the record. So let's reassign the level, then save the form. So that's it for user account. Our next menu button is organization. This is basically the list of companies under our organization. Its function is almost similar to our user account, except this is simpler. We just need to add the name and acronym or the prefix of the company. Also, only admin level accounts can access this feature. This prefix is important because we need this in our employee data entry, so we don't have to manually input the prefix once we enter the employee sequence number. I think for now that's all. Next time, we will discuss on the main subject of this database, which is the employee section. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.